Yo, what's up? Ken Rudolph, my guest today.
Mocha O, how you feeling?
Hell yeah, man. I'm finally stoked to do this stuff with you. One of the legends from Vancouver. If you don't know him, well, you better go search him up because he killed it back in the day. He's still killing it right now. You're opening up, you're doing the headliner actually of the show.
Yeah.
What time are you on?
I'm on in about half an hour, I say.
Yeah. How long's your set?
As long as the vibe dictates,
Hell
you know what I'm saying?
Man. An hour, maybe?
Yeah, just play it by ear, you know what I'm saying? The feel-good stuff, definitely music for the smokers. I don't really smoke personally, but, you know, I kind of make that type of music, and I do support the benefits of marijuana, for sure.
Hell yeah. You guys smoke back probably very long. A lot, no?
Not so much. Prev eventually did. I mean, that's a known thing now.
Yeah.
Nah, I really, not a whole lot.
You didn't get into it too much?
In the 90s, yeah, but yeah.
Back when you guys first started.
Yeah, I don't know, still really need it, but you know, should there be a chance that I ever need it for something, then it's there.
So what do you got coming off the show?
Just putting this year's itinerary together already, like now. So I got another local show coming up on March 3rd at Alexander with my people, Illa J, Frank, and Dank. It's for the official Dilla Day celebration.
Hell yeah, man. That's dope. So it's Alexander's Gas Town, right?
Absolutely.
Definitely check that out. Do you have anything else coming up after that, or is that just for now?
Yeah, just different, like in the U.S.
Oh, U.S. Okay, you're doing a lot of shows out there.
Yeah.
That's dope. What about for music? What do you have going on?
Man, this year is a very special year for me. I decided to take on a challenge myself and release an album every single month.
Yeah, I heard about it.
So, yeah. So January just passed. I released the album called Brutal, which is, man, it's tight. If y'all ain't heard it, check it out. You know, you got the internet. It's so easy to find things now. Just type in Mocha Only Brutal, boom. Or, you know, visit my social medias. You know what I'm saying? So this month coming up, okay, I'll lay it down like this. For all these 12 albums, I want to make it really special for the fans. So some of these albums might be instrumental album one month, another month might be something from the archives, because I have a lot of unreleased stuff from the early 2000s. Exciting stuff, like real cool guest appearances. Yeah, some things might be concept albums, and I might even do a singing album, you never know. But this month, for February, I got an old unreleased album with my homeboy Ishkan under the group name Now Folk, and the album's called Magnesium Opium. So that'll be coming out. This probably next week, next Friday. Oh yeah, some trippy stuff too, man.
Music videos or anything coming up, or?
Yeah, there'll be some music videos for sure, but doing an album every month doesn't leave a whole lot of time for doing a whole lot of videos, and you know, it's kind of short shelf time except for the most hardcore of my fans. But we're gonna do what we can for sure.
Hell yeah, who you working with nowadays?
Oh man, I have my crew, Torchlight Commission. Me, Illa J from Detroit, Mr. Brady, and Elemento from Long Beach, California, who were both Battle Axe Warriors before. My man John Rogers from Columbus, Ohio, talented beat maker, MC, and Potato Head Peoples, a production group from Vancouver, BC. So that's this. We have some other members and stuff, but we just. Oh yeah, my man Midflight from Australia too. Yeah, he's a producer. Oh yeah. That's the special thing about it. It's like we're not centralized in one city. We're just trying to represent the world through like the sort of beat-orientated music that people can feel. You know what I'm saying? Once again, for the smokers, if they, you know what I'm saying? For the feelers.
That's dope, bro. That's crazy. Like, how long have you been at this for? 20-something years?
Yeah, I don't really know. I haven't been keeping.
You haven't been keeping count, but you've been.
I guess I started. Me and Prevail started around the same time, like 1989, 1990. We were kids, and because hip hop didn't really exist here very much. We kind of made our own rules. We didn't know what the real rules were. Except one thing, we thought that every MC went off the top of the head. So since the beginning, we were always freestyling, right? So we found out later, not everybody freestyles. So it kind of gave us a little advantage. You know what I mean?
Sure, man.
Yeah. Now it's been a minute, man. It's my man Sash. My man Sash.
What up? How you doing?
I'm not a smoker, so it's pretty heavy in there.
Alright, man. Well, I don't want to take much of your time. Is there anything last you want to say? Any last words?
Yo,
you want to say for the fans?
you know what? I appreciate you for doing this. Thank you so much. I just want to say thank you. Really, like, I'm super happy and still like incredibly excited about music. Like it's only grown stronger over the years, and I know with a lot of guys, like I'm 42 now. You know what I'm saying?
Don't look like it, man.
I don't feel like it either. It's because of the music. It's because of the vibration and stuff. So you know, there's a lot of guys from the 90s and stuff who became disenchanted with it because they can not like the format of how everything's online now. You kind of got to adapt to the times, but at the same time, you have to follow your own rules and do what you want to do. So I want to thank everybody who's still been riding for me, and I really appreciate it, man. I'd like to think that this is the tip of the iceberg. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's always a new beginning.
You got a lot to go, bro. I see you're keeping up, like you're doing a lot of songs, a lot of albums. That's crazy.
Got it,
12
man.
albums, bro, in 1 year. Most rappers don't do one, you know?
Yeah.
So, you know, any artist should.
So that's what's up.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
Peace and love.
Peace.